In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all photos from Google Drive in just a few simple steps. Whether you're planning to back up your collection or transfer photos to a different location, this guide will help you do it efficiently. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to visit Google Takeout by navigating to www.takeout.google.com. Google Takeout is a service by Google that allows you to export data from your Google account, making it extremely valuable for backing up your files. Once you've arrived at the site, we'll move on to the next important step. On the Google Takeout page, you'll see many options for downloading your data, but for our purposes, click on Deselect All. This action ensures that you won't be overwhelmed by downloading unnecessary data and can focus exclusively on your photos. Next, scroll down through the list until you find Google Photos. This option is crucial because selecting it will include all of the photos in your Google Drive associated with Google Photos. Once you locate it, be sure to check the box next to Google Photos. This will ensure that every photo you have is part of the download we're about to initiate. Now that you've selected Google Photos, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Next Step. This will move us forward to the settings for downloading your archive. You'll then see options to choose the file type and size for your archive. The .zip format is a popular choice because it's easy to open on most devices. You can also decide on the maximum archive size. If your photos exceed this limit, Google will split the files into multiple archives, ensuring easier download and management. Once you've set your preferences, click Create Export. At this stage, Google will start preparing your data. This process might take some time, especially if you have a large number of photos, so patience is key here. It's important to note that you won't lose any data during this process. Everything remains safe and sound on Google servers as the archive is prepared. After the preparation is complete, you'll receive a link to download all your photos. This link will typically be sent to the email associated with your Google account. Simply click the link and follow the instructions to download your photos to your device. And there you have it, a straightforward method to download all your photos from Google Drive using Google Takeout. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides. Until next time.